Hi guys, so in today's video we are going to be making a very delicious beans and sweet potatoes porridge. So over here I have about 2.5 cups of beans, and I'm using black eye beans, as you can see, and these beans has been soaking in cold water for, I think it has been there for 12 hours now. So basically you can just soak it overnight and cook it the next day. So I've washed the beans and rinsed it. I added it into my pot, then I poured enough water to cover the beans. Now I'm going to cover the pot and place it on fire to boil for some minutes, just about 5 minutes, and I'm going to rinse it. So over here I have my sweet potatoes, and this is what it looks like. This is our Nigerian sweet potatoes, if you know what I mean. So if you can't get this particular one, you can use Irish potatoes, you can use yam, you can use ripe plantain, or you can as well use unripe plantain. I've used all these that I mentioned now, and it was perfect. Okay, I'm just telling you. So if you can't get this one, you can use any of the ones I just mentioned. So I'm just peeling the back of the potatoes, cutting it into my desired sizes, and I'm adding it into a bowl of water, as you can see over there. So as soon as you finished peeling and cutting the potatoes or yam or whichever one you're using, except ripe plantain, just add it into a bowl of water, and that will prevent the yam or the potatoes from getting dark, and to also make the washing process easier. So after about 5 minutes, I just took out the beans and drained the water, and I added enough water into the pot and added some of my palm oil. Just add as much as you like, and I added my onions, just half diced onion and 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. I also added 2 tablespoons of crayfish, and now I'm adding my bottled tomatoes. This one is tuna fresh tomatoes. Yeah, they added some tuna inside it. So I rinsed the bottle because I don't want anything to go to waste. And now I added about a teaspoon of curry powder, and I'm adding just about a tablespoon of paprika powder, and I'm also adding my seasoning cube. Add some salt, just add some salt to your taste. Mix everything together, cover the pot, and let it come to a boil. Oh, make sure you taste it to see if you have to add more seasoning or salt. So after some minutes of letting the sauce boil, I'm just going to be adding my beans. I rinsed the beans with a clean cold water. So after adding it into the pot, I'm going to mix everything till they are well incorporated. Now cover the pot and let the beans cook until it's almost soft. So now I'm just checking on the beans to see if it's soft enough, and yeah, it has started getting soft. So I'm going to be adding my peeled, cut and washed sweet potatoes. Just add everything in there and stir it up a little bit. Just give it a gentle stir. Cover the pot and let it cook until everything is soft, like very soft. So I've checked on both the beans and the sweet potatoes, and they were all both soft. Like, don't mind the look of that beans that is looking separate, but trust me, everything was very soft. Then I used my wooden spoon to mash it up a little bit, just to make it a kind of porridge, like you know what I mean. So this is my beans all done. Super delicious, guys. You need to try this. Okay, it looks very simple, but trust me, it was so delicious and so yummy. I paired mine with some custard and milk over it, and oh, I added some coconut oil to it, and you can as well eat it just the way it is. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.